I'm sure every menstruator has heard at least one of these lines while on their period. अच्छा पीरियड्स चालू है, आचार की उस बोतल को हाथ मत लगाना, हाँ, उस पेड़ को हाथ मत लगाना, अपने पति से उन दिनों में दूर ही रहना, घर पर खाना मत बनाना, अपने झूठे बर्तनों को और अपने कपड़ों को अलग से ही धोना, घर के उस कोने वाले कमरे में या जमीन पर सो जाना. Hello everybody, this is She the People TV. I am Dr. Tirtha Shetty, also known as the Fervid Gynecologist on Instagram. As a gynecologist, I am here to tell you the do's and the don'ts which you must or must not follow during your period. Coming to the do's, always use a menstrual product you are most comfortable with, whether it's the sanitary napkin, the menstrual cup, or the tampon. If you experience any discomfort with your present menstrual product, for example rashes, consider switching over to another menstrual product because a number of them are now readily available in the market. Always maintain good hygiene. Change your menstrual product every 6 to 8 hours. Take a bath regularly and clean your vulva with water. Eat a balanced diet which is rich in iron as well as fiber, and do not forget to include a number of fruits and vegetables in your diet. If you have sexual intercourse while on your period, please do not forget to use protection such as condoms, which will protect you against sexually transmitted diseases. If you are comfortable, you can exercise while on your period, and it has numerous benefits such as relieving your menstrual cramps as well as elevating your mood by releasing endorphins. Coming to the don'ts, the most important one is don't fall for the various misconceptions that float around you with respect to period. Avoid or do not eat fried foods, refined carbohydrates, and foods which are high in salt during your period, because it may worsen the bloating which you are already experiencing. Do not skip your meals. Please eat regularly. Do not use cleansers, intimate hygiene washes, or washes with various fragrances inside your vagina. Your vulva as well as your vagina only require plain water. And lastly, if you think something is going wrong with respect to your period, whether it's the flow during your period, whether it is the duration of your period, or whether it's the time interval between two periods, or if you think your period pain is too bad, please do not ignore it and seek help by visiting your gynecologist. I hope we could learn a little something about the do's and the don'ts while on your period.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.